This is Metaphysical Maintenance. Please sit comfortably with your eyes open and look in front of you. Find a spot to focus your eyesight. Take a few deep breaths. Feel your body. Put yourself in a cylinder of white light. This light is rejuvenating, recharging, healing. Whatever your body-mind consciousness field requires at this time, it gets from this light. And as each of your cells gets re-energized and activated, you can visualize them vibrating and turning gold. So there you are in your cylinder of light, shining gold, surrounded by white light. Now feel your connection and communion with Earth. Feel yourself grounded to the Earth. You're at one with Mother Earth, in harmony with everything that's here. Flowers, plants, trees, mountains, oceans, people, insects, animals, everything that's part of this experience and part of Earth, we are at one with it. We honor Mother Earth for feeding us and taking excellent care of the planet and of us as we get to enjoy our ride here. You can feel yourself with the roots like a tree. You can see yourself as a tree with the roots going deep into the earth. You can visualize yourself sitting on a beanbag earth that supports and caresses you, soft and fluffy and comforting. As we honor Earth, we give thanks, gratitude, and now we feel our connection with our higher self. You can feel that connection through your crown chakra, the top of your head. Some people feel a little tingly. They feel that connection that's always there of you with your higher self, with cosmic consciousness, source energy, divinity, divine guidance, your soul, all of it. All energetic and spiritual nature is connected through your crown chakra, top of your head. Like you're grounded to the earth, you're connected to the metaphorical heavens. Now visualize your team of assistants. I like to see like a gigantic intergalactic council filled with people. Picture your ancestors or loved ones that are here that have passed. You can picture masters, teachers. You can picture the angels. You can picture all the wise ones throughout history. They're there to support you, as well as non-physical things, like, let's say, courage. There's also things there, the energy of archetypes, the energy of laughter. You can also picture like the energy of roses, for example, or essential oils. Everything that nourishes and supports you in some way is represented here. You can also visualize the energy of groups, like let's say body talk. It's all here. Access consciousness. This is part of your team. These are part of your resources, your energetic council that's with you at all times. Now, however you see them become translucent and minimize to dots of lights. So you're going to have multiple colored lights all around. And then they're going to come and join you as a cape. A very light, weightless cape that's also very intelligent. So it's lightweight like Harry Potter's cape, and it's sentient and intelligent like Doctor Strange's cape. And this is the truth of who you are. You're always connected with Earth, connected with your higher self. Your team is activated and with you at all times. We honor and appreciate all of it. And now we ask for the entire team, the truth of who you are, to help you in doing the next few exercises. Let's start by clearing your body-mind consciousness field intra-transdimensionally of anything that is not pure light. This includes the space between you and everyone else. Now, as we have been doing this, we've also been doing this for all. What does that mean? You can visualize to your right, your inner circle going through this process. To your left, your extended circle and even the entire world going through this connecting, purification, clearing, and manifestation process with you. Now, we're going to clear the chakras, all of them, all 33, front and back, including subchakras. We're going to ask that they be cleared, cleaned, spinning in the right direction as they expand. If you want to activate the colors, you can start with the root chakra, red, next orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, violet, and white for the rest. Now, choose 3 people to connect with heart to heart So identify who they are. You can say them in your head. And you're going to visualize heart-to-heart, golden light connection transmitting so that only unconditional love flows between you. Now, imagine a torsion field of unconditional love or a tornado of unconditional love. Picture that. You're going to picture several of these. One of them in your bed, another in your work area, whether that's your home or someplace else, and where you are right now. Picture them expanding and expanding as they actually join each other, as they become bigger and bigger, and infuse your community with unconditional love. And it expands to include your state, your country, your continent, your hemisphere, the world. We're going to expand from there to include our solar system, the Milky Way galaxy, all galaxies, the universe, the multiverse, and beyond. And as you feel this expanded awareness, we're going to bring your consciousness back into your body so that it anchors and sits in your heart chakra, so that you're always operating from heart, mind, and body at all times. Now visualize what your glorious life is and can be. What does that look like? What does that feel like? What does having wonderfully expressed look like and feel like for you right now? What about wellness? What does that look like? Fully expressed wellness in your body, all around, everywhere you go, honoring the body's healing mechanisms, innate healing mechanisms. What does that look like? And how does wisdom show up at its most glorious expression? How does that impact your career, your contribution to the world? Now give thanks for remembering who you are, and this concludes metaphysical maintenance.